Hello, this is Adam Laurie, the certified car seat technician and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and pump station and nursery. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Chicco Fit2 Base into your vehicle using the latch system, aka the lower anchors. Before you continue, make sure to consult with the car seat manual and your vehicle manual because all installations are not going to be exactly the same. So you want to make sure that you get the proper installation in your vehicle. With the Chicco, there's generally two rules you're going to follow to make sure the installation is complete. Rule number one, making sure the baby is at the right angle. There's a leveling device on both sides of the car seat. You have to make sure the angle is in the right position. Next, when we tighten the latch system of the base should not be able to slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back. So the first thing we'll work on is the leveling device. The way to know your car seat is at the right angle is that you have to make sure that the bubble on the base is in between the two black lines. So if while you're tightening the car seat, the bubble crosses one of those lines, you know immediately that you need to adjust it. Right on the center of the base, there's an orange pull to level trigger. If you squeeze that trigger, it'll let you change the angle of the base. So you're going to need to adjust the angle so that the bubble is going to end up between the two black lines. Now that our angle is set, we can begin connecting the lower anchors. On both sides of the base, the anchors are connected to the base itself, so we need to release it. Right on top here, there is a dark strap, and in order to loosen it, we're going to lift up on this orange tab here. So lift up the tab, pull on each of the latch connector straps. Once they're all the way loose, you're able to get them out of the base. Here's one, and here's two. You need to now find the latches in your car. In my car, there are these little dark buttons with a picture of a car seat, and right below the button, there's an opening in the fabric, and in that opening, you can feel the metal latch bar. The connectors, you need to make sure that the straps are not twisted and tangled and that you're not connecting it upside down. Everything needs to be flat and free and right side up. You're going to line up the latch connector with the latch, and all you have to do is push it on. You're going to hear the clicking sound to let you know it's connected. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. There we go. Once both sides are attached, make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. The way you're going to tighten the latch is with this black strap here. So as you're pulling on it, you want to use your other hand to apply weight to the base. And you're going to slowly rock the car seat from side to side. Push down on one side, then the other. And you want to get it as snug as you can. The goal is to make sure that the base cannot move more than an inch from side to side or front to back. So anytime you're checking your car seat, be sure to use one hand only. You can use either hand. Grab it from either side of the handlebar as close to the belt path as possible. And that's where you want to check it. If it's not moving more than an inch, you're good. If it is moving more than an inch, you need to continue to tighten it. And installations are never permanent. All car seats can loosen up over time. So check this car seat once a month. And if it does start to move more than an inch, then you just pull on it to make it snug. Never check the car seat on the back. This part here is going to move no matter what. In some cars, it moves more than others. When an accident happens, the car seats absorb the crash force and redistribute it. Instead of the force being released on baby, it's released back here. So don't worry about the back part. That's going to move. You just want to check the belt path. Once you're done tightening, Chicco wants you to roll up the rest of the slack and stick it inside the pocket there so it's not just hanging out everywhere. And really the only other adjustment you have to make is switching the recline from level 1 to level 2. So for a newborn, we're going to be at stage 1, which is good from birth until 12 months max. Once the child has head and neck support, you're allowed to sit them more upright, and you have to change it if the child exceeds that 12 months of stage 1. Stage 2 can be used from 9 months to 24 months if they still fit in the car seat at that size. Don't forget to always follow the weight and height restrictions of your car seat. But yeah, the Chicco Fit2 is now installed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.